Hi viewers, welcome to the channel as I look to unbox Roomba Robot Vacuum Cleaner. So that's Roomba 616. So this is an amazing product in the sense that your traditional vacuum cleaner, you would have to manually move it around and drag it and use it to clean. But in this case, the robot does everything for you. And so it's a joy to have a piece of device doing cleaning your house for you, vacuuming your carpet and everything for you. So let's go on with the unboxing. Yeah, let's get that opened. Yeah, so paperwork, and let's get that out of the box. Yeah, what else do we have in the box? Okay, docking station and another power connection, I believe. Yeah, and so with these things, we'll just get the docking station docked and then see what we can do from there. Yeah. So we getting the docking station docked and connected and see whether we can get a few hours of charge. Let's put that off for now. Let's bring the main one from the box. So we've brought the main one from the box and locked everything in place just to get things going. So it says clean, it says dock. Let's see whether it can dock at this stage. Yeah. Oh, let's get the power on first. And now let's see, on. Yeah, it seems to have a bit of battery for it to be able to dock. So it's now pressed up. Where is it going? Where is it going? Where is it going? Where is this going? Please just go and dock. Let's go and dock. Let's go and dock. Let's go and dock. But if we press clean, or just dock. Anyway, it's cleaning. You can see it's cleaning. Actually, the dock is on. So as you can see, it's going to. Let's just make sure these wires are well secure. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming to dock, 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 it's coming to dock. There you go. So now the battery is charging to get a bit of juice, and I'm sure when it's powered on, we'll just instruct it to go and clean, and it will clean. So go clean. Yeah. Now he's going to clean. He's engaged to go and clean. So there he goes. There he goes. Cleaning now. Previous cleaning functions. So we can tell it to clean. See the spots there? We can tell it to go there and clean. So just say on here, you just tell it to spot, and then spot is activated. So this that. Let's see whether it really clean. Cleaning around. Yeah. Pick everything. Clean the place nice and easy. cleaning the spots. Yeah, the good thing about this is if you finish cleaning the spots, then it will just impart to ensure it covers the whole surface. It does a good job to pivot itself and map itself out to do the cleaning all by itself. So when it's done the cleaning and you're satisfied with the cleaning, just instruct it to go to dock and it will go to dock for you. So we say go to dock now and it goes, and so it will go and dock for more power, so it can carry out the next cleaning for you nice and easy. And when it cleans thoroughly well and it leaves the place pristine. So that is that for iRobot Roomba Vacuum Cleaner 616. It does the job as I want it to do, and so I'm just good with it. It does what it says on the tin. It does the cleaning, it does the hoovering, it does the vacuuming to an extent that I don't need to, get any other vacuum cleaner to do anything after it has done the cleaning. So I'm happy with this product, and I think if you are looking into getting a vacuum cleaner, the robotic vacuum cleaner, you wouldn't go wrong with this. So as you can see, I instructed it to dock and it's working and plotting its path to go back to the docking station. So it's still doing a bit of vacuuming, and even as it finds its way to go back to the docking station. So it will be docking very soon. And another good thing about this is it has the anti-fall. So if it were to get to some stairs and it's finding it difficult to sort of navigate its way around to clean around the stairs, because it can fall from the stairs and break and things like that, it will identify when there is a steep cliff, or a stair, such that it stops and alerts you to come to the rescue. So it's now going to dock finally, and whilst it's doing this, finding its way around, it tries to also pivot itself such that by the time it comes, let's see whether this is well positioned, docking station is well positioned for it to go. Yeah, so you need to get the docking station well positioned for it to be able to go back and dock without any challenges. Otherwise it will go round and round until it's able to position itself in ways where it can dock without issues. So it's now going to dock finally. I can see it's positioning itself, angling itself to just sit on the charging bay. And there you go, there you go, there you go. So it's well docked, and you hear that sound and the battery showing it's charging and all that. To take out the trash from your hoover, you need to pull it, press down the button here and pull it from the main, bring it back together nicely, and then you slot it with your hand holding back down to make sure it goes inside perfectly. And once everything is done, everything should fall in place and everything should now work perfectly. Thank you. See you in the next one. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe button, hit notification button so you don't miss the next one. Thank you. Bye.